Poppy AI tool, Poppy AI tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about an AI software that allows you to go ahead and get a visual helping AI that's going to help you as a content creator, copywriter, and marketer. Now, this AI tool will help you do proper researching, connecting, playing around with the proper tools that work along when it comes to your marketing, content creating, copywriting, and so much more. So, what you're going to do to access Poppy AI is you're going to come over to getpoppy.ai and you're going to click on Get Poppy. Now, once you click on Get Poppy, it's going to bring you here where you're going to be basically adding in your contact information. You're going to choose pricing options for yourself. Now, there's three pricings for Poppy. You can get the $324 per year, $550 per year, or $997 per year. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and make a payment for it. So you can build with a ChatGPT plus whiteboard plus Notion experience. So a chatbot, a whiteboard, and a CRM experience is all given in Poppy. You can supercharge your researching and writing skills by 10 times, talk and ask questions for YouTube videos, voice, images, or even PDFs. Now, basically, to get into the whole working of Poppy, basically Poppy is a software that allows you to access all of your workings in one place. It's a software that will go ahead and make you go viral for when it comes to work with it. It is pricey, but the whole usage of Poppy is incredible because an AI tool that thinks like your brain does, which is pretty incredible. Now, to get into the proper working of it, Poppy has the ability to analyze videos, PDFs, images, and voice notes in one canvas style interface. Think of it as a mind mapping tool which is fully powered by AI. You can drag and drop different types of content, connect them, and let AI help you generate content ideas. And even if you come over to Poppy AI's proper, imagery and the main dashboard section and how it works, what you're gonna do is you can actually see that it's quite different from the other AIs that you might have used, and it's really simple and really fun to work along with. As you can see, it is proper integrational CRM tool. You can add in any type of prompt like you see in this video, and whatever prompt you add, it will create a mind map for it. Now, the unique abilities of Poppy AI are processing multiple types of content simultaneously, visualizing connections between different pieces of information, generating insights from your entire research collection, and saving hours of your research time. And the main pros of Poppy would be visual workspace beats linear chat tools. It analyzes entire YouTube videos instantly. Access to multiple AI models is given. You can save hours of research time, and it's perfect for all of you messy thinkers out there. Although it is monthly costly, okay, and the learning curve is high for new users, but you can still work along with Poppy in the easiest and most simplest way. So do go ahead and let me know if you use Poppy, and do let me know what you think about it. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.